How to turn off text chat on Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device. The process is same for both app and the website. So once opened, make sure you are signed in and now tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on settings again. Now, select the privacy and content restrictions option you see there and then select the communication option. Further, tap on the experience chat option, and with this, go ahead and select the no one radio button under the experience chat, and automatically under the direct chat option too, it will be selected to no one. So this is how you can turn off text chat on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.